Is the CAN-IMMO a rebrand?
No.
Tony Elite Car Security. Here we've got a brand new Defender in for the CAN-IMMO. This is 499 supplied and fitted. We've got a QR code there, takes you direct to download our app, the CAN-IMMO, which is free of charge also. Comes with a tag, free leather case, free Faraday bag. So as long as you've got your tag or your phone with you, the vehicle will automatically pair, do a handshake and allow you to start the vehicle. So the tag's present, let me just show you that. So as you start it, you probably just missed it, but the indication light just flashed and we can now drive off nice and safely, no problem at all. What I'll do now is I'll just hide the tag in the Faraday bag and I'll show you the PIN code. The tag is now away in the bag and the system's armed, so if we start the vehicle now, can't select gear, completely locked out. So what I'll do is I'll quickly enter the customer's demonstration code. If we watch the main beam here, I'll enter the code, main beam flash. We can now select gear nice and safely, and then we can select between having it rearm with the ignition off or driver's door. So driver's door is a little bit more convenient. And the other security upgrade we can do is you can obviously have no tag, no start, no PIN code, no start, but you can also have no tag and no PIN code, no start. So a dual layer security. So it must see both the tag and the PIN code. So we're actually just going to activate that for the customer because he's interested in that. Interested in get one of yours fitted on your vehicle? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9028.